will only avoid any confrontation with the enemy. He'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
Well, what's going on, my mighty fine people on a Aloha Sunday? As you can see, I'm back out in the elements. Sorry for the delay. It's been raining a lot, so I ain't had a chance to get back out. Actually, I did some stuff indoor. Shout out to everyone who stopped through last night for the Who Has the Heat week 3 battle between J.Matt and Retro Rico. It was another epic banger. Shout out to my sis 313 on the panel, PMKICKZ and MCFLYKOF holding it down. It was a really fun time with the homies, like I said, J.Matt and Retro Rico. We also got the Black is Beautiful challenge. I have it in here somewhere. Go check that out. That's circulating. It's a mighty good thing that's going around. Next up, we got Earth One Motors versus Forgiven Souls. So get ready to tap in with us again on 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time next Saturday. Last but not least, shout out to the homie SNOOCHS Customs. Got that merch coming soon. So if y'all interested, DM me on IG. And we got the homie Money Run Clothing. So make sure you tap in with him. And last but not least, my sisters, go check them out. Princess Fame and Pam, they on the grind as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into this review. In my event or effort to try to be more well-rounded, you see I got the foot action back, because we can't always do Jordans, right? So if I can get it out, I should have did it already, took it out, would have made it a little bit easier. I'm acting all extra. Forgive me on this Sunday morning. See, you know we can't do that without the receipt. I don't even know if this is even an actual receipt. And yes, it is. You see, right there, cost them for $88. They was on sale. They went on sale kind of quick, which is surprising. So you got the Nike box. And you see this is a size 10.5, Air Max 200, white metallic gold black. So you got your QR code in the RF. It got a little hump there, so if you don't have a hump, something is wrong. This you can go half size because it's a little bit weird, but pretty comfortable though. Suggested retail price $120. You see the code AQ2568. In here you got your numbers in there as well. Where's your paper? And you already know what time it is. And like you doing NBA Jam back in the day. Had to know that I'm factory lazy. I had to actually try these on. In my opinion, you guys got the Pumas, the ones like the Transformers, they fit like these. So these are the Air Max 200s. Product the lower level, I'm gonna get the pressed with the React 270s and all that other stuff so I can compare them all. So let's get a all around view of the shoe. And enough talking, let's get into this review. So you can see you got a little small air unit here on the bottom, not as big as the 270s or any of the other like the 720s. You got black, you got clear, so you got to clean it up right after you wear it, or you're gonna have to worry about yellowing. You got your black swoosh. Here you got your leather in the toe box. You also got your etched in black swoosh. And then right here you got like nylon, and then this material, I don't know, it's not suede, it's like almost like a Velcro or velvet, whatever you want to call it. But you could definitely have to spray that down with some crepe, but it's going to get dirty. You got your black Nike symbol. You got your black laces. Then you got your Air 200 in that black and gold. Definitely can't go wrong on the black and gold emblem. Some people might like this shoe because it's too white, so it might be good for the summer. Come around the side, you got your Nike swoosh. I didn't see that in the beginning. It's interesting, man. To take that back if I can't get it out. Yeah, because this other side is all good. It probably look like it might come off, though. I don't think that's in the swoosh. Hopefully that ain't in the swoosh. We're going to have problems. Then you got, turn around on the butt, you got your Air. And then you got your pull tab with your Nike in there. Nope, it's not etched in. It's just on there. Then you come around on the media side, pretty much the same thing. You can see you got the clear see-through air unit, and I think it's very, very dope. And on see this side, the swoosh is clear. So yeah, we may be taking another trip back to the store today to return these joints, because you know me, you paying money for stuff, you got to get it to your liking, you feel me? On the inside, you got Air Max on the white, and you got your QR code and stuff on there as well. If you haven't seen it, check out my Phantom video, show you exactly how it works. No shoe tree like the Jordan, just regular paper stuff inside. Other than that, you know I like to do the little lit meter. So let's see, on the comfort level, with the comfort pretty decent, look not bad, something new, I give it about a 4.5 out of 5. You guys let me know, family, what you think about this shoe. I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5. So as we on our way to 4K, tell a family member, friend, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.